Morning guys, 6 AM and we're into it. So my resin's tapped off, and now I'm just going through doing another layer of wave effect. Come back to it. So we're just going to mix up the next batch. Down here, as you can see, like it's pretty deep now. Got rid of donkey horse, whatever that thing was. Coming to this bay here, and the trees are all burnt and gone golden because we've got a volcano in there. As you can see, the depth perspective and the 3D here between the layers. Going out to our lighthouse and red rock that we're going to make. crashing up in that rock. Putting little pockets of greenery and colour, but I don't want to put too much in. Coming into Sandy Bay, fully 3D. You can see the waves underneath and then the top waves. This will be done for another 2 layers. Coming into this channel, got broken water rushing through the channel, crashing up against the rock face. Gonna have a stunning, like a Caribbean blue lake in there. Coming over the sandbar, down over the obsidian rocks. Fly over our this part here is annoying, so I'll grind that out. Yeah, pretty happy. Coming around this side. Not happy with that shark there. He's gonna go. 3 to 4 more layers through there that'll look really cool. Another 3 layers to go around our sandbar. Got a couple of big eagle rays down there. Got some crays. Lots of effects, PowerShell and greens and seaweeds will be going in here today. And then lots of water wash. Coming down here, different sort of effect. I'm building up a layer there because I've got a helicopter and a rescue diver who's going after a kayaker. Once again, fully 3D. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. Hashtag sealavie, keep up to date with everything that's happening with this table. I was going to do a competition last weekend, but to be perfectly honest, I was just so busy. So we'll have a competition this weekend where you can win a custom tuned bowl with your colours that you choose from Masterdoor. Let us know your thoughts. Oh yeah, have a good day.